Good morning children, welcome to MOI revision class of 10th standard. Today will see the last concept of this lesson is the revolution and everyday life of the French people. So in previous classes we discussed detailedly about the French society and later the constitutional monarchical government and republican government. After that we discussed about the reign of terror, right? So now will see the revolution and everyday life. So you have to remember in this concept what was the day-to-day activities of the French people during the late 18th century. So you know in the introduction part when the peoples were stormed the Bastille prison in 1799, the peoples were restricted by the government, restricted by the monarchical government. So newspapers, dramas and folk songs, these all were restricted by the government. So before going to release this all to the society, they had to take the permission from the government. The censorship was imposed on the French peoples in the late 18th century. So after the French Revolution, what would happen in the France? So you know the censorship was abolished by the republic government and government was allowed the common peoples to release their newspapers, magazines and etc. to the public. Means they got freedom from government and they were said their ideology each other in the France society. Okay, after that what happened in the conclusion of this lesson? You know, after this the Napoleon Bonaparte became a monarch of the France country. So he took a control over the France and he became a dictator of that country. Okay, dictator of that country. So he ruled some years the France country under the monarchical system. Okay, so these points you have to, so in this concept. So please read question, page number 22 to 24. Okay, 22 to 24 and attend the question number 3 and 6 which was already given answer on page number 24. Okay, to page number 24 and once again you need to go through the lead supplementary books. In that lead supplementary books you have to remember, you have to read concept along with the practice question 9 and 10. Okay, 9 and 10. So after finishing these questions, please try to solve the worksheet questions which already uploaded in the Google Classroom. So hope you understood about these instructions. After watching this instruction video, please try to solve the worksheet questions. Okay.